We're getting our steps built so that we can go up over the office and store things. So they're working on that today so we can get all this stuff stored where it needs to go. Same construction crew that did the framing on the house. So hopefully we get that done today. Making good use of our stairs tonight. We've started to sort and arrange and organize. So getting things up here. We've cleaned out pretty much 2 bays right there, part of that one. A lot of the stuff down there is stored away, so we're making some progress. Really glad to get this stuff up and out of the way. Slowly getting organized. We're getting there. That's what we got up there, but at least we know where it's at and it's out of the way, and it doesn't look organized from here, but it is. So really glad we got those steps in. We moved our tamarack tree from the house in Mequon to here, and then we're going to plant probably 4 or 5 more. Have a little cluster of tamaracks here, and it's just down a bit from the house right there. So apple trees here, elm trees are here, so it's just in this little cove here. I have a grove of tamaracks in here. Got the tree in place, and these buckets, 5 gallons each. This one had a hole in it. You can, it's right up there where the little stick is. And then I drilled 2 holes in this one. So what we do is, they need about 10 gallons of water a day, so there's the 2 holes in the bottom of that one. And then I've got a bigger water tank that will fit on the tractor, so I'll just fill that up, and we have to give this 10 gallons of water a day until it turns off cold and stays cold. So we're all set, and I think what we're going to do is that mound will stay there, and then we'll put some along in here, 4 or 5 more. Just have a nice little grove of tamaracks here. So that one was a wedding gift 2 years ago from my cousins in New York, and it's done very well. Here today, finishing up the installation of the railings in the house. We installed the range hood yesterday. This actually pulls out like so. There's a square metal cover that goes over that to hide the tubing. And then that is in the closed position. We got our washers and dryers right there. Dryers are over there. We have one set for farm clothes and dog blankets. The other set is for our good clothes. Same as for the dryers. They installed the can lights today, square, black. Got most of those done. They've got just a little bit of the railing left to do. It's out in the garage, it goes there. And that's the gate for upstairs. This is the metal awning that goes over the large windows in the living room. And you can see there strips of metal. In the summer that blocks the sun from coming in the windows, and then in the fall and winter the angle of the sun is such that the light will come through and it doesn't block out the sun. So they're getting ready to install that today. And then there's the awning from the inside. So it's designed to block the sun in the summer with the angle of the shades there, and let it in the winter. We are purging in preparation for moving to our new home. These are all boxes of old tax and business papers, some from the flower shop that Roger and Skip had, and most of this is from my veterinary practice. So you can see there's probably about 15 or 16 boxes, so really glad to get rid of all this stuff. Dropped off all the paperwork at the shredding company.